Students, I am going to explain the oxidation reduction and reduction reaction. This is one of the most important reactions of class 10th. Here I am taking the three examples when zinc oxide react with carbon. What you see here oxygen is reduced, means it is known as a reduction. And here oxygen is adding, it is known as oxidation. Then what is the definition of oxidation reaction? ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन का डेफिनेशन क्या है? इट इज ए रिएक्शन इन विच ऑक्सीजन इज एडेड टू अ सबस्टांस. ऑक्सीजन इज एडेड प्लस, ऑक्सीजन जहां प्लस हो, जिस सबस्टांस में ऑक्सीजन का ऐड हो रहा है दैट इज नोन एज ऑक्सीडेशन. Means oxidation is a reaction in which oxygen is added to a substance. ऐसे आप याद रख सकते हैं, oxidation is a reaction in which oxygen is added to a substance. Oxidation is a reaction in which oxygen is added to a substance and hydrogen is removed from a substance. Oxygen is added means addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Oxidation is a reaction in which oxygen is added to a substance or hydrogen is removed from a substance is known as oxidation. हमने दोनों एग्जाम्पल लिया है. Oxidation is a reaction in which oxygen is added. यहाँ कार्बन के साथ oxygen is added. Here oxygen is added to the carbon, so it is known as oxidation. Then how we define the oxidation? Oxidation is a reaction in which oxygen is added to a substance. Means addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, किससे? टू अ सबस्टांस. एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, इट इज नोन एज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. मीन्स ऑक्सीडेशन इज ए रिएक्शन इन विच ऑक्सीजन इज एडेड टू अ सबस्टांस एंड हाइड्रोजन इज रिमूव फ्रॉम ए सबस्टांस. दोनों में से कोई एक भी हो जाए, means any one. Oxidation is a reaction in which oxygen is added. First oxygen is added and removal of hydrogen. This is known as oxidation. So beta here hydrogen is going to remove, then it is also the oxidation. And reduction क्या है? What is the reduction? Reduction is a reaction. Reduction is a reaction just ulta, just reverse, just opposite. The opposite of oxidation is reduction. Then reduction क्या? Reduction is a reaction in which removal of hydrogen, removal of ऑक्सीजन का रिमूव होना और हाइड्रोजन का ऐड होना. मीन्स रिडक्शन इज ए रिएक्शन इन विच ऑक्सीजन इज रिमूव फ्रॉम ए सबस्टेंस. यहां रिडक्शन हो रहा है बेटा, जिंक ऑक्साइड से ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो रहा है, सो इट इज नोन एज रिडक्शन. एंड एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, हियर इज oxygen of and addition of hydrogen, then here is a reduction. Means what is the definitions of oxidation reaction and reduction reaction? Oxidation is a reaction in which oxygen is added and hydrogen is removed. Reduction is a reaction in which removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. Oxygen remove होगा. Reduction is a process in which oxygen is removed from a substance. Oxygen is removed from a substance. Oxygen is removed. Here is reduction. Oxygen is added. It is known as oxidation. Means reduction is a reaction in which oxygen is removed from a substance and hydrogen is added to a substance. Clear? Then here we take copper oxide. Copper oxide से oxygen is going to remove. Then what is a reduction? Oxygen remove हो रहा है, reduction, and there oxygen is added. It is known as oxidation. After that, now I am going to explain the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent.